at it again. Month 3 of our challenge that we gave ourselves of coming together, collaborating on a video for each of our YouTube channels to help grow our channels, and also challenge us to use materials that we don't typically use in our everyday art. So month 1 was tinfoil. I sent her a video and said, let's try this. It was pretty fun. Month 2, I sent her bubbles. So we painted with bubbles for month 2. Month 3, in month 2, I told her she was gonna have to choose one. So for month 3, she sent me this video on using like a paint pour flower using a spoon. Watched the video, and this is what I did. It's a sloppy mess, and of course I watched the video, pretty much forgot the instructions and winged it. So I'm going to try it again. I mean, it's not too bad, right? A mixture of the metallic. I put some gold in there. Right? Whoop, whoop. So I got another one prepped. Pinks. I'm going to use acrylics this time. Last time I used acrylics, yes, but I used the cheapy acrylics. The like apple barrel acrylics, right? Because they're runnier. These are more full-bodied, so they're not gonna move as fluidly. Let's see what happens.
Silly me has to go get the trash can now. You know, I could leave it down there all day and let the husband get it, but I feel bad. But it's like, you know, -10 outside. It's freaking cold. Almost fell. Probably gonna record myself falling down. Ugh. I'm so over winter.
don't forget to like and subscribe to our pages, Ugly Glass and Company and Homegirl Creates. Thanks for watching.